R. Ganga Pujita from Andhra University, Vizag, BTech 4th year, Instrument Technology.
Good morning, Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu. I am R. Ganga Pujita from Andhra University College of Engineering. Today, everybody across the world is talking about quantum computing, and there is a very strong reason for that. The main reason is the significant advantage of quantum computing over classical computers. Classical computers have reached their limits, whereas quantum computing opens up entirely new possibilities. The applications of quantum computing includes drug discovery, where it can simulate how new medicines interact with proteins at the atomic level, reducing years of laboratory work to weeks. Ever since the new government has formed in the year 2024, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, we are proud to state that for the first time in India, BTech in quantum computing has been introduced at Andhra University College of Engineering in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and it is running very successfully. Initially, this course was introduced in ECE department because the syllabus has a strong engineering orientation with 60% hardware and 40% software. The software component includes advanced AI and machine learning techniques, quantum interfacing software which provides hands-on exposure to practical computing. We are extremely happy to inform you, sir, that Andhra University College of Engineering has also introduced quantum computing as a minor degree program across all other engineering branches, including mechanical, electrical, civil, marine and others. We are very much thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister and the Higher Education Department for facilitating the WISER quantum computing training program for more than 50,000 students across the state, which has played a significant role in supporting and strengthening the implementation of quantum computing education across institutions in alignment with Swarnandhra Vision 2047. The training that has been provided by WISER on quantum algorithm for differential equations will help the students in gaining hands-on exposure, mentoring and leadership qualities, making them better prepared for higher studies, research and competitive careers. It also creates pathways to internships, collaborations and global opportunities, enabling students to translate knowledge into real-world impact. Finally, we are extremely thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister Sir of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, and the Government of Andhra Pradesh for their kind support, encouragement, visionary leadership in promoting quantum computing across the state and the country. This initiative is truly pioneering in India. Places Andhra Pradesh in the global technology map, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ganga Pujita. Now we have V. Mauryan from Vemu Institute of Technology, Chittoor, BTech 3rd year CSC. V. Mauryan from Vemu Institute of Technology.